She recently wrapped up a tour, but Shorty is here to teach us some new moves in our Fiwi Culture segment. Shorty, welcome to the program. How are you doing?
Thanks for having me. I'm good.
I'm very delighted that you are here today because I know say you work last night. I know say you're tired, but you still made the effort to come and show for your fans.
Yeah,
so thank you very much for passing through. Yeah. And let's get straight to the meat of the matter. Stage name are Shorty for short. But what's the name where mommy and daddy gave to you?
Janelle Stephenson.
Janelle. And where, let's get to know younger Janelle a bit more. Where did you grow up?
St. Elizabeth.
You're Senti girl, which part of Senti?
Santa Cruz.
My place I don't have Bacon, Treasure Beach side. Bacon
Really?
district in Treasure Beach. Yeah man, 1 Senti. So which schools did you attend?
Lacova Primary and 7th grade States.
And while as a younger child becoming an adolescent, what did you see yourself becoming? Was it always dancing? Or you did a pre-teacher, nurse?
Human teacher, social study teacher, good.
Why social studies specifically? You did love social?
Did love social study. Good. Social study teacher. Always like teaching.
Yeah.
Always like teaching. But dancing,
It trumped that. And where did the interest for dancing, where and when did that develop?
when I used to like, I think it was ER back then, when they are Hype TV.
Okay, Hype
when
TV.
They used to have the small dancing clips on Saturday. I used to just sit down and watch it, and I said, I want to be like that one day.
Okay.
And then
Then.
I just practice.
Sit up on the back, make the pussy go son. Make it go son.
Dancing Dynamite. Let's talk some more about that experience. Which year? Remember which year you did enter?
I think it was 2013.
2013. And remind me, Dancing Dynamite. You have solo dancers or are always group. So you were a part of a group.
Yeah, I was a part of a group.
Where did you guys place?
Far.
So we're gonna blame your group mates. Them for them fault.
For them fault. Because I was the only female.
Oh, it was guys and you. And what's your relationship, if there's any relationship with those guys today?
Still cool.
Still cool?
Cool.
Okay. Do you work with them still, or you're more so of a solo dancer right now?
I'm a solo dancer right now, but they don't dance anymore.
Oh, okay.
One of them, everybody know him. Two. Triple X.
Okay.
I was in that group.
So they didn't Untouchable?
Yes.
Untouchable.
I was the little one.
When did you realize, say, yo, you know, so I can actually make a living out of this. This can be my life. This I can earn from this. When was that moment?
Triple X. He was the choreographer for Lime back then, promotional, and he just called me and said, yo, you can work, and you can dance, go on the road, dance, work and get money. I'm going for 1 month, I'm see the money when I get I say, oh. I said, okay. And then I used to be in Team Razor Beam, but it didn't work out. And then I just took a chance and said, I'm going to try this solo thing, and I had my first class 2017.
Okay.
And then when I realized that how much we charge for class, for a 1 hour class, I said, this is nice.
It's a manager money.
Yeah, man, this is nice. So I just continue.
Hey, Miss Gots to be glue, Gots to be true. Miss Little and cute to the grip. Hey, you.
My popular steps, Mix Up, X-File, Composure, Jungle Fever. My popular steps, no. But I have a lot more. I have like 20 steps.
That is it. Do you think dancers get the respect that they deserve?
No.
Why is that? Why?
Always, is people in general always looking down at dancers. Like I said, in the first part, I said what my parents said about me doing. People don't see it as a career. Most of the artists, they use the dancers to reach here and then
park you.
So.
What do you think need for change then? Or what are some solutions where you think can help to rectify the situation?
We are all artists, so equal. I mean, can't go look on Idonia, like Idonia, so me and him are equal, because you don't know Idonia. But at least show us the respect when you create for instance, if you do a dance, a song, and then you have dancers who create challenge, show them that, give them that credit.
Quick, alibi, tell him say the battery die, and the girl walk with 2 phone, I feel like she said.
And just like that, we're at the end of another episode of Pree Dis Show, featuring Dre. Dre, how was it, bro?
Productive as always.
That is it. I'm your host, Nalda Adi, signing out of Washington Boulevard. Until next week, same time, same place.